Good morning from Jamaica. I will never get tired of saying that. It is a couple days later now. It's the day after Christmas. Sorry if I sound stuffy. I'm like allergic to something in here. Anyways, we are headed back to Margaritaville today because that day it was raining and not that nice of weather for swimming. So we're gonna go back today, do the water slides, do all the water features that I was showing you before, and just hang out over there. All right, here's our morning view for the day. Nice and sunny. I'm loving it. It is so hot today. You can see the water park is open down there. Oh, love it. All right, we made it back to Margaritaville. It is so beautiful. Got our drinks. We have a catamaran pulling in. They're all getting off. We got the slide ready to go. And it's a beautiful day. We have some big waves though today. Nice. We got all of our food. She made us all of our beautiful drinks.
Yeah. Best bartender ever.
Oh yeah. ever have to hold my nose going down, but it shoves the salt water up your nose.
I even tried pulling my nose and it like slipped off.
Yeah, it falls off. Oh my gosh, that was so fun though. That was so fun. They didn't have like the iceberg climbing thingies out because the water is too rough, but that was amazing. You went way faster than I thought. Thank you, Margaritaville. Okay, we made it back to the resort and I just stopped by this cart. They're shaving fresh sugarcane. It looks so good. Sugarcane before. There's a Brazilian bakery in my town that also has it, but I'm about to try the Jamaican version. It's good. It's actually not as sweet as I thought it would be. Alright, we're taking a little stroll through the coral. Oh, it smells so good. Holy moly. The water is such a nice temperature. I know there's a pelican over there. You can't see him that well. Right here. I'll throw in another clip of him flying here. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh look, there's our room up there.
It's not cool.
Oh my gosh! There's a little hermit crab in there. Whoa! That's a huge shell. He's trying to scoot along the bottom. Ready? Bye! There you go. Happy home. And then there's a bunch of little tiny ones here.
Oh, there is one in this guy.
I told you. And then all of these are little tiny ones too. Yep.
What's up, buddy?
Cute. Look at that little guy. Cute.
Is it a crab? Or what do you find there?
Bunch of crabs. Yeah. This couple that just walked by just said they saw pufferfish in here. That is so cool. I wish I could see one. And then they said they saw flute fish, which are like those skinny, like long fish. I wish I could see one. Now we're like searching for them.
It's next to that
Oh, I see him. There's a pufferfish.
Yes, big one.
Right there. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Beautiful.
Do you see him, guys?
Put it underwater.
I can't.
Oh, he's getting camouflaged. No way.
Be careful, careful. Wow. Look at this jellyfish. Oh my gosh. He's huge. Okay, first of all, that was so cool. I did not think I was gonna see that many things. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for coming on this Jamaican journey with me. I love traveling and I'm just so excited to see more places. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.